Hi travelers, today I'm going to take you around Port Vila Vanuatu. If you are taking a cruise to Port Vila or have limited time and want to explore Port Vila on your own without booking short trips from cruise liner, this is the video for you. Thanks for stopping by our channel Fun Family Travels. We took the P&O Cruise Pacific Island Hopper to visit Vanuatu. When we reached, it was drizzling and windy and wasn't an ideal day for travel. But we had just few hours to see as much of Port Vila as possible. We couldn't let the weather dampen our travel spirit. We halted at the information center to check out on any tours, but they couldn't provide much information, so we collected the map and came out to find several vans waiting for the tourists. They offered to take us around Turtle Sanctuary, Eton Beach, Blue Lagoon, Eton River for Australian dollar 50. The currencies that work here are Australian dollar or Vaatu. We have reached the Turtle Sanctuary known as Reef, Vanuatu Zoological Park. The ticket price is 2000 Vaatu for adults, 1000 for kids, and under 5 is free. We weren't sure if we could exchange currency in Port Vila, so we carried it from Auckland. Before traveling, I was looking for a concise video to get such information and get details on places to visit. But I struggled and hence decided to create this video for you. Hence keep watching the full video and comment in the comment box if you need any other info. Also keep supporting the channel by clicking the like and subscribe button.
Are we allowed to walk around? Oh my god, they're super tiny.
It wasn't recommended to lift these tiny turtles out of water, but later on we held adult turtles outside the water.
Baba, hi bullshit. You're playing with it, Baba.
Wanna hold?
Should I not touching that?
We'll go to the next one. Let's come down here.
Ah. Here's mine, Baba.
Touch the feet. Mouth touch করবে না, okay? Halfing touch করতে পারো, it's okay. Okay.
That's so big.
After the crab, we experienced the chameleon encounter.
Oh, how's it?
Good and soft.
Good and soft, okay. That's good. You want this?
No, I'm good.
Sure?
You climb up.
This zoological park covers moderately big area and would take a couple of hours to visit this place. But it's a must-visit place if you are traveling with kids. Apart from the excitement of holding the turtle and chameleon, there is also a good variety of farm animals. On top of that, the nature here is exceptionally beautiful. That is also on such a bad weather day. It was so serene that we wanted to prolong our stay here, but because of the weather, we had to keep moving to the next spot. But before leaving Reef, let me tell you that you can find some local handicraft item being sold here. Also, you can buy lunch here. On cruise ship days, they do not provide their regular menu. Instead, they have full barbecue lunch for 1000 Vanuatu or $12 and sandwiches from 300 Vanuatu or $4. We are now on our next spot, Eton Beach, which had entry fee of $5. I do not have any particular review about the beach just because it wasn't an ideal beach day. Next, we went from here to Blue Lagoon but did not enter because swimming would have been challenging with our little one in this weather, and our entry fee of $50 would not have had much value. Here is the entry point of the Blue Lagoon. So we went to a more kids-friendly spot, Eton on River, also known as Garden of Eden. Other places you can visit at Vanuatu are Meli Cascades, Ekasub Village, Raru Cascades, Handicraft Market, and Vanuatu National Museum. Our driver told that Meli Cascade is quite out of town and we cannot make it in time if we are visiting Garden of Eden. But Garden of Eden was just right for us. On entering, there is a big playground. Our little one's energy was immediately boosted. The entry fee is 1000 Vanuatu or $12 Australian. We didn't opt for any activities here, instead took the short walk amidst of nature. However, you can indulge in various activities such as swimming, tour of the Bridges of Eden, which takes you on series of suspension bridges across the riverscape, or enjoy the kava tour and cooking class. If you have found some of the information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content. If you would like to watch our Nomia, capital of New Caledonia cruise stopover day, click on the link in the description. There is also full details on the cruise covering accommodation, restaurants, entertainment and parties. We had sandwiches for lunch here and spent over an hour before heading back to the cruise ship. With this, we finish our Port Vila visit, but also note that Port Vila is a popular destination for duty-free shopping, particularly for tourists arriving by cruise. The shops pack the items and transport it to the cruise ship. Due to the bad weather, we missed visiting the Mystery Island following day. The ship did not dock there. Over the night, we witnessed the bizarre nature of the ocean. It was so wild with massive 5-story high waves tossing our ship around like a toy. To cover yourself from the plight of missed port days, you can opt for one cover cruise travel insurance, leaving you off with a glimpse of port day at Nomia. Link is in the description, also on the I button above. And also watch the other cruise videos for a complete experience of the cruise travel. Thank you and keep tuning in to our channel.